So you've just recently hit affiliate and now you're looking on adding emotes to your channel, and you just saw that animated emotes are an option for you to add to your channel. Well, not only am I going to show you how to make animated emotes from pictures that you already have, but we're going to talk about where you can pick up some really high quality ones and get a big discount on them. Let's get into it. So if you are a Twitch affiliate or Twitch partner, you have recently known within the last few months that animated alerts have become a thing, but not a lot of people have actually adopted them. So what I want to go ahead and say is, in your channel dashboard under viewer rewards and emotes, you can actually scroll and see that you have tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3, but you also have animated emotes. And for me, I can add up to 5. I don't know how many people can add, whatever the case, but you can add up to 5 at least for what I have. So today we're going to talk about how to make some of yours, but before we do that, let's talk about our sponsor for this video, Own.tv. Own.tv is a fantastic place for you to pick up all of the overlays, alerts, packages, as well as animated emotes that we're talking about today. If you use my coupon code at checkout, which is Cyrus, you're going to get 50% off your entire order. Make sure you go to owned.gg/Cyrus to support this channel, or just go ahead and click the link in the description below. Thank you for supporting the channel, and now let's get back into the video. So let's go ahead and talk about the first option, which is not to make anything, but just to go ahead and purchase animated alerts that are already done. So over on own.gg/Cyrus, which is the affiliate link, if you go ahead and just click sub emotes and badges at the top, it'll take you to this page. Sorry if my camera is in the way, but what you have right here is the animated alerts, like for example, this wolf one that shows you some really cool things that they've already created for you. And right now it says that price is $79.99. With my code, it'll drop it down to $40, and you have some really high res alerts to put on your stream, and they have several options. Obviously you can scroll down, see everything you have, click load more, and there's a lot of options. So I would encourage you, if you just want the ready-made option, high quality, and you just want to pick one of these up, this is definitely the route to go. It is an investment in your stream, but your viewers will use these. Now if you're the budget conscious streamer and you don't want to purchase any of these, you can actually make some yourself using a website that's completely free. So let me show you that. The website, which is makeemoji.com, is a pretty awesome place where you can go through here and see that there are a bunch of options to make animated alerts using a PNG that you could upload. For example, this one just has a cat, and you can see all of these different options that they have just using that one PNG. So to show you that this works, I'm going to go ahead and choose file and take in one of my PNGs of just me. And crazy face right here, but all you can see is once it uploads it, it'll go ahead and just make all of these that you can choose and just grab them and throw them wherever you want. So what you'll do is once you click it, it'll actually grab it as a GIF image, and then you can go ahead and download it. So I'm just going to grab this one that just says colors fast, and then I'm going to go over into Twitch, and then I'm going to go ahead and drop that one into, I think I can actually go ahead and upload. Let me see if I can get this uploaded. All right, and what you see right here is it's actually went ahead and uploaded. It's pending for me, but most of you can actually go ahead and upload it. I actually just reactivated Twitch affiliate not too long ago, so it's saying pending. And this is a really great way to go ahead and add some animated alerts. There's also a third way that kind of eliminates all of this, and you can use just Twitch. So in the Twitch dashboard, you can actually click upload new and just click animated emote. And under here, you can actually click easy animate and do the exact same thing you did before. I'm going to choose that PNG file that I had originally grabbed, and you'll see that it's actually saying it's too big. Let's grab a different PNG and see what happens. And what it'll do is actually say choose animation. So it'll have some of those options that you had over on Make Emoji, but nowhere near as many. So you could put it on Rave, and it will go ahead and customize that directly for you on here. As you can see, it'll go through. I really don't think these are as high of quality. This is an option. I would just not necessarily recommend this. If you're going to go this budget route, I think Make Emoji is definitely the place on creating your own emotes. The last tip I have is to actually check out this video right here, because it makes streaming so much easier on Twitch, and I bet if you're having issues with setting things up, this is the solution for you. We'll see you over in that video.